Making one of our native dishes for you today, and this is the salt mackerel that we're going to be boiling, and this is the coconut strips. I'm going to make some coconut milk. I already have a video on that. You're going to squeeze some lime in there, keep out the rawness. And the season for this, you're going to need tomato, onion, thyme, and some scallion.
Pepper.
And pepper.
Yeah.
Scotchy.
Pepper, bring it off. Yeah.
Scotchy, bring it off, yeah. Mom said. Scotchy. I added the scotch bonnet pepper. So you have to boil the mackerel twice, guys, and you have to taste it for salt. Okay, and you have to prep your seasonings there. You cut up everything except for the thyme. And then the coconut milk, I have a video on the coconut milk, you can go and watch that. I have to put some more water. This is the second boiling of the mackerel because it's so salty. Then you're gonna put the coconut milk to boil, and make sure that when you're doing the coconut milk, it's rich coconut milk. Don't put too much water, but you have to put enough to make sure you can make the custard for this native dish. And I'm sure that you already know the name of it because of the thumbnail. Alright, so I'm just showing you that. Make sure you boil it. I'll come back and show you what it looks like in a little bit. I'm not sure if I'd mentioned that it's actually 2 coconuts that you have to prepare for this. And you saw how much of the coconut milk was in the pot now and how it's reduced. This is after about an hour of boiling or so. When it boils down to this kind of consistency, kind of custardy like with the highlights of oil in it, then you're going to add the seasonings. I failed to mention that after you boil the mackerel to the level of salt that you want it to, then you're going to strain it, remove it from the water. Alright, just drain the water from it and set it aside. And you're going to see what we're going to do with it. So you add the seasonings and then you're going to allow it to boil further, so that the coconut custard will absorb all the lovely flavors of the seasonings. When it boils down to a custard like this, with the seasoning in it, then you're going to add the mackerel. And we're adding the mackerel with the bone in it.
But you can
so it's bone in, but you can remove the bone if you wish. And what else now? Stir it for a little bit and let it simmer for a couple minutes, or for a few minutes rather, until the custard takes the flavor of the mackerel. Add some black pepper, and you see it looks like it has a little bit of oil coming to the top. Those little yellow areas, you can know that it's done. It's boiling down to further custard. Some coconuts will boil down with a little bit more oil. You see a little bit more oil on top, but this coconut mostly gave us custard, which makes it even that much better. This coconut, these 2 coconuts rather, gave us more custard than oil, but some coconuts will give you more oil than custard. So this is a good finished product. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Work hard on it, and we're going to ask you to subscribe, to share, and to leave us a comment. Thank you for watching. Oh, I forgot to mention the name. It's mackerel Rung Dung. I don't know how it got the name, because I don't know how it got the name, but anyways, I'm going to show you it plated, and we're going to be having this. Stay tuned and see what we're going to have it with, okay? Even though the mackerel was boiled down twice to reduce some of the salt, but you can still taste this for salt, and if you want to add a little bit more salt to it, go ahead. And if not, then kudos to you. So this is what we're going to be having it with. We're boiling up some cornmeal dumplings and some frog bananas, green bananas. I'll show you the plated version later. This is the final product, guys. Plated the mackerel Rung Dung with cornmeal dumplings. And I'm telling you, it's sweet, sweet, sweet. Anyways, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of my new supporters and subscribers. I see that you're subscribing and you're commenting. I thank you very much. Continue to watch. Thank you for watching.